Good afternoon. Well, we've already seen some windy weather this morning, but those winds are now easing down. And as you can see, those winds will be lighter throughout this evening. But overnight, the winds will start picking up from the southwest and from a southerly direction right the way through the Irish Sea by the end of the night. And those winds could be potentially quite strong, gale force, perhaps even severe gale force. But it's not just the winds that are going to cause a problem. It looks as though we're going to find some very persistent and wet weather across northern and western parts for Tuesday into Wednesday. So we're keeping a very close eye on this system. Here it is, these areas of low pressure here are heading towards us for Tuesday, but I think by Wednesday they will be a thing of the past, although we'll still have weather fronts with us on Wednesday giving some wet weather, but it should be certainly far lighter winds by then. Back to today, you can see where we've got the cloud down the spine of the United Kingdom. That's been giving some showery rain. They will move away eastwards, those showers, during this afternoon, turning drier and brighter, but with more rain following on close behind. So top temperatures this afternoon, very autumnal really, 13 to 16 degrees, and certainly feeling cooler in still quite strong winds. Overnight tonight, it'll get windy and wet again then across many northern and western areas, with just the southeast corner, I think, staying drier with some clear spells. So temperatures tonight not getting low then really, around 8 to 11 degrees, and I think we will find those temperatures increasing as the winds pick up through the Irish Sea. For Tuesday, a wet, windy, stormy day then for many across the north and the west of the United Kingdom, but the south and the east here staying dry, perhaps with some sunshine breaking through, and top temperatures there around 18 degrees. Into Wednesday, the wet, windy weather moves off into the North Sea to be replaced by drier, brighter conditions, but still some fairly squally showers. Now further afield into Austria, we've seen some very wet weather, and if we take a look on the satellite picture, you can see why. There's thick cloud streaming right the way up into Scandinavia. And that's still going to be there for the next couple of days. So I think it will be rather unsettled across Italy, into the Balkans, and down into the Mediterranean. But either side of that, for Spain, for Portugal, for the eastern Mediterranean, I think here we will find far drier and sunnier conditions. So quite a contrast to what's going on back home with the wet, windy weather that's still to come. So if you want more information about the weather,